TACO's new Canadian headquarters in Milton, Ontario, comes equipped with a prototype of a new radiant cooling system called LoFlo. The TACO LoFlo radiant cooling system supplies both cooling and heating for the building's 30,000 square foot interior. This unique system employs TACO load-match circulators to deliver heating and cooling energy to a variety of terminal units, including chilled ceiling panels, active and passive chilled beams, fan coils, and heat pumps, all in the same piping distribution system, despite each of the terminal units requiring different temperatures. TACO's LoFlo radiant cooling system promises to be one of the most efficient HVAC systems to become available to the North American market. We traveled to Canada to see the installed system and hear Jim Garrett, General Manager of TACO Canada, explain its features and benefits.
This is the first installation of its kind here in North America. We're using chilled beams. Chilled beams require temperatures above the dew point of the room. And to enable us to do that, we're doing some injection mixing, which we call LoFlo, which is combining our load match system with our mixing system, our mixing block. We actually mix the temperature from about 42 degrees, which comes out of the chiller. We mix it up to above the dew point, which enables us to use our radiant cooling. This is a brand new innovation that wasn't utilized in the past. Our system here consists of a heating loop and a cooling loop. We have generation equipment here to this one side, a chiller on the roof, and the chiller is fed into a heat exchanger, and that heat exchanger provides the cool water, 42-degree water for the cooling loop. Next to the heat exchanger is our boiler, and the boiler produces our hot water for the heating loop at 180 degrees. The advantage of our LoFlo system is that we can use much smaller piping at a higher delta T to deliver the cooling fluid to the terminal unit. We then can mix up and design the delta T for the terminal unit around traditional delta Ts, 4-degree delta T. This enables us to do the mixing and the cooling at a much higher efficiency level. We treat the outside air coming into the building. By pre-treating it, we handle the latent load of the outside air, which leaves only the sensible cooling to be done by the terminal units. In each space we're utilizing the TACO thermostat. The thermostat is capable of not only reading the temperature but also the relative humidity in the room. It can feed back to our building automation system all of the data that we need to condition the space. It can turn on pumps, turn off pumps, tell the pumps to speed up or slow down. TACO's LoFlo radiant cooling is a perfect opportunity, presents a perfect opportunity for retrofit applications. Because we're only installing small pipes as opposed to large ducting, it lends itself ideally to a retrofit application. Whether a new installation or a retrofit installation, TACO's LoFlo cooling block is the ideal complement to radiant cooling.